Banshee Moon.
Hey everybody! Thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the watermark up there or the subscribe button down there, and have fun.
Okay. Whatever you say, Jen.
It's a holiday for most people in America.
Yeah. Holiday for Jen.
It's chilly. I had to get warm.
Okay. Hey, let's make some cauliflower chili.
I just thought of that when you said that.
Wow. Well, that is where I chop up cauliflower.
Oh, that's
Instead of using beans, I chop up cauliflower so it's small little chunks. And we use that and tomatoes and chili seasonings.
and some good grass-fed beef.
And it tastes
Ground
just like,
beef.
it's just like chili. You wouldn't know that you're not eating beans.
Yeah.
That's my recipe. Cauliflower chili.
I'm excited.
Low-carb chili.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
So we got some grass-fed beef. The farm will cook it up.
Grass-fed sausage.
A little tiny bit of grass-fed sausage.
And it's got like no fat.
No fat.
So
It's quality, because we buy it from a local farm. We don't buy this stuff in the store. We buy it from people that treat the animals humanely.
yep.
And
You know.
Good.
These were happy cows.
good quality
and
meat.
pigs.
Yep, they live happy lives.
We're gonna make our own sausage soon, huh?
Yep. Now I'm gonna chop up this brain. Just kidding. I'm gonna chop up this cauliflower into nice little pieces. So I'm just chopping up this cauliflower. I don't have much workspace here. Should get out my bigger cutting board. Does kind of look like a brain, doesn't it?
That's why it's so good for you.
What did Marty Feldman say? What was that special brain in the Young Frankenstein?
I don't remember.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Just watch the movie.
Apparently. You don't
Abby.
remember.
Oh, he said, "Look, it's Abby normal."
Oh yeah.
The specimen said abnormal. He said, "It's Abby normal."
Alright, good job, Plumber.
Yeah. All right, so what are you doing?
So, look, we put a bunch of spices in there. We should have filmed it, but we forgot.
Yeah, chili
So-
spice. Chili spice.
Chili spices like
Or you can get
cumin, and we put turmeric in there, which is more like a
Indian
yeah, but it's good for you. So
we
we
put
put, and it's
chili-
not real strong.
chili powder.
Chili powder and a little cayenne. Oh, this is cayenne.
Cumin, yeah,
We
little
do
cayenne.
We put cumin. We put onion powder.
Mm-hmm.
Don't we put
Cool.
a little bit in there?
Yeah.
How much?
A little tiny sprinkle. Oh, that's gonna be some hot chili. I wish we had a jalapeno. Mm. But there were some hot green peppers.
And we have these pepper flakes.
Yeah, a little bit of that in there. Just a little bit, could we?
Ooh, it's not even open
We've
yet.
already got a bunch of hot stuff, and we're gonna put hot sauce in there.
And we have hot sausage that was in with the meat.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Huh?
Not quite working up there.
So Farm Girl's all excited because she just found a bottle of stray
Prosecco. Yeah, buddy. I was like,
Where was that
oh,
hiding?
it was over there in the corner.
Oh, whoa.
I thought, what is that purple thing?
Quite a cluster of them.
Delish. Where are we gonna put this?
So we've got our beef and a little bit of sausage in there. I put a little bit of chopped garlic, as you can see. So we've got all the makings of chili here. I chopped an onion, put it in there.
No, the onions are behind you.
Oh! Okay, well, so I'm chopping an onion. Gotta be a smart ass.
Sorry to call you out there.
Okay. Well, I thought I chopped an onion and put it in there.
Ready for some hot saucier?
Mmm.
This has been curing for a while.
Couple year,
Yeah.
over a year.
Well, about a year. Almost a year. Mmm.
Oh my.
Ooh, foamy good. Alicia.
That's funny that share means what? My love in Cajun.
In French. But Justin Wilson, Chef Justin Wilson used
Oh,
to say
shit, that's going to be so
That's going to be so good. Over there.
What's another cool thing about this chili?
It's fart free.
Fart-free chili.
Yes.
Why?
You can enjoy and you don't have those after effects that are so painful and not cool.
When your spouse is launching them.
Yes. This is farmer chili. It's good for farmer. It's good for farm girl. Ooh, look at it. Steaming. Good. Few onions. A little cheese.
Yeah, good job.
Yay.
We're gonna enjoy
Good job,
that.
farmer. Thank you.
We have a little Munster if we prefer. Mmm.
Yummy, yummy.
There you go. Cauliflower chili.
Fart-free chili.
So we're watching the Super Bowl. We're having a cauliflower chili
Gotta make it a little bit hotter.
with the Munster and the shredded cheddar. And Farm Girl's got the pickled jalapeno. She's bringing on the pain, yo. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yummy. Very exciting. Oh, did I get more than you?
That's fine. Look at that Munster, just melting. It's about to melt in there.
This is so exciting.
Come on, what's taking you so long?
What? That was like 2 seconds.
Oh, it just seemed like forever.
I'm gonna have to wear this downtown next Halloween.
You know, Halloween is awesome.